Feels like he has freedom to bring his head right. And then push with your inside. There, feel how he's drifting? So there, and if he walks, that's fine. Just keep drifting him, bring his nose to the right, push with the inside leg at the girth. So all we want him to do is yield his head. Now push with your right foot. See how he's got that little shark eye? His little white eyes rolling around? That's it. There. Now he went, oh. There. Feel him drop his nose. Good boy. Good, Lynn. And he's lighter now, isn't he? Yeah. Good, good, good boy. Now keep his nose to the right. Push with your right foot. And I'd rather him drop the head down than throw the head up. That's it. Keep pushing with the right foot. And it's okay to lean in to push out. The canter's the only gait where we can't lean in because it'll blow the lead. Push with that right foot and check that right rein. Get it. Tell him, give me that nose a little more, Peppy. That's it. Keep pushing so the shoulders go out. It's okay. It's okay. He'll learn. That's it. Keep pushing. We want him to go out. Keep holding his nose right. I like where you got the right hand. Keep pushing with your inside foot. Isn't that nice? And see, he gets it. Now let's trot a big half arena circle. Let him straighten his head back out a little bit. Feed him a little bit of slack because he's being a good boy. And look where you're going. So it's turn his nose, then boot. And remember, he won't be as light as Angel yet, so it's okay to do a little bump, bump of the rein. Good. Let's do a circle. So I want you to work on turning his nose right, inside leg at the girth. So you're just going to cut our arena in half just a little more. That's it. Push with the left foot. Remember, lean left. Hold his head right, but lean left. That's it. Feel how that got fixed right away when you went, oh yeah, I can step into that stirrup. Hold his nose left, bump it. There, and then boot with your right foot anytime you bump the right rein. So when you bump his head right, his tendency will be to turn, but if you also push with that right foot, Lynn, it tells him to push the shoulders out and drift. And see how he's going, oh, okay. Yeah, and just, that's fine. Let him move out as big as he wants. Just keep his nose slightly turned to the right. That's it. Inside leg at the girth. Saw on that inside rein a little. Get that nose coming. Get that nose looking. Be gentle about it, but let him know, hey, Peppy, I want this nose. Push with your foot. It's okay if the circle's there. There. And then go out big. That's just lovely. Outside stirrup. Step in your outside stirrup. I know. It's okay. Remember, after you get done drifting, he's still going to be thinking, oh, I got to keep drifting to the left. So you got to stand left and tell him, no, we're done drifting now. Now take your time. Ask for an S-T-O-P. Good. Roll back. Isn't that a hell of a stop? Turn his nose now. Not the foot. Now the foot. Trot out. Good. Look around. Hands down. It's okay to keep the rein short, but think about those nice low hands. Stop your horse. Good. Now back him a step before you turn. I want him back on his ass when he does his roll back. Now turn his nose. Check your left rein. Nope. Don't throw him away. Keep trot. Go ahead and trot. You're going to have to, when you turn his nose to do the turn, Lynn, you have to check your outside rein to rock him back a little bit, okay? Does that make sense? He's just kind of walking around the turn. Stop your horse. Now go real gentle. Pull your right rein a little bit. Pull back on your right rein before you pull your left rein. Now pull back on the right rein. Now a little left rein. Now pull your right rein. Pull your right rein. He's still not, no, that's your left rein. Quit pulling on your inside rein.